Hello everybody. The OFG. The OFG's back, guys. The OFG's back. Didn't tell them that. I've changed my name back to the OFG.
Oh, have you?
Yeah. I've done it this morning. I've missed it, to be honest with you. It is me, ain't it? The OFG. So I've changed it back to the OFG, guys. The old food guy. Because that is me. Old food. You know what I mean? So I don't know, I've had quite a few people ask me why I've changed it and that, when I've been out and about and that. So, we're back to the old food guy, guys, that's it. No more changing like the weather, we're stuck with it now. And to go and celebrate, me and Nat are going out for a bite to eat. Nat hasn't got a mic on, she probably won't be able to hear her at the minute. She'll have a mic on when we get to the pub. We're going to a pub called, go up this way, Bab. Yeah, there he is at the end. We're going to a pub called the 3 Tons, if we can get there. It's about, I think it's about a mile and a half outside town, so we're walking there. If Nat Scooter gets there. If not, we'll end up going somewhere else. But apparently this place is supposed to be, go on, Bab. This place is supposed to be absolutely delicious. It's a gastro pub. And all the reviews online, well, 99% of them say it's absolutely superb. So that's where we're going, guys, if we can get there. If not, we'll end up in another pub. So, it's on the Walsall Road, just outside Lichfield, on the way to Muckley Corner. I don't know if anyone's ever been there. I certainly haven't. So we're going to go, we're going to have a look, and we're going to try some food. Yeah, guys, this pub, I hope you can hear me with the traffic. This pub, apparently you have to order off an app. I've downloaded the app already. Now, I'm a cash man, me. Cash is king, as they say. But obviously I might have to pay card, I'm not sure. So it says you have to book as well. But that was all, I went through a load of messages on it, loads of reviews, and that was all before Christmas. So I'm not expecting it to be busy in the daytime, but we'll see. So if I have to book, we might be having a bag of crisps and a pint of lager at the bar. So I don't know. So we'll find out when we get there. Not very organised, but that's the way we are. Apparently the portions, it says watch what you're having on the reviews, because the portions are massive. So that's why I thought I'd come and try it. And we'll just see what it's like. We're nearly there. There it is. Ooh. Get some of them steps in. Get some of them steps in on the way back after I've had a munch or a pack of crisps. Whatever I can have. Oh, right. Let's have a look. It better be open. I'm just testing that. I hope it's open. Don't look like it's open. Oh, there's a few cars here. So this is it, guys, the 3 Tons. It's open. You'll have to go that way, Bab. 3 Tons, guys, on the Walsall Road. Yeah. Go on, sweetheart. You can get some grub. Hey? Bring your food here. You'll bring warm here, ain't it? Can you sit anywhere, can you? Hello, mate. Can you just sit anywhere, can you?
Yeah.
Oh, hello, mate. You're right. How are you? You're right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm good, mate. Yeah, just, you can either sit in the restaurant if you want, or you can sit anywhere on the other side of the bar.
Sit over there, eh, Bob?
Yes,
Sit over there out of the way. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, how long have you been here?
Just mate, since I was a kid, what's it?
Oh, is that?
Yeah.
Yeah, he was all right, mate. Yeah. Oh. We're going to sit in the corner, Bab. Just getting a seat, guys. Let us get settled and get that mic on and that. Right, guys, we've got music on, so let me show you the menu. I haven't even looked at it myself yet. I don't know what I'm having, guys, yet. I'm thinking of having the trio of mini burgers. I could try all three then, couldn't I? On the burgers. Trio of mini burgers. Or a big yakitori sticks, whatever you say that. That's a big, massive skewer, Bab. You don't know what that is.
I was wondering what that was.
It's a massive skewer.
Oh, them big skewer things.
Yeah. Open kitchen as well, guys, so you can see them cooking. That's good. We're going to wait for the food to come, guys, because music on, so I can't really show it a lot.
Coffee looks
See you in a
nice.
minute. Oh yeah, that coffee looks well nice, doesn't it?
Yeah,
Look at that.
coffee looks really nice.
Oh yeah. We'll keep it as real as we can, guys. As I say, you just got to be careful of the old music. It does say, guys, I've just read on the menu. If you want the main meals on your table to order at the same time, everyone needs to order their main course from the same menu. Either this pizza menu or the main menu to get it together. You know what I mean? So you can't spread it around to have more at the same time because they've got different kitchens for different cooking different things, and that's quite good, isn't it? That?
Yeah, that's good, that is.
And that says that coffee's absolutely delicious, don't you?
It's really nice.
I wish I'd have had a coffee, only had a lemonade. Right, guys, food's here. Have yourselves a look at this. So what have we got on the old burgers? We've got a mini pig burger, a mini Cajun chicken burger, and a mini barbecue pulled pork burger. That's what we've got, guys. So this is the pig burger then. Mini pig burger. I'm gonna leave the camera there where it is. Just because of the music, and then I can just do whatever with it. Well, there's the pig burger. Let's have a crack at that. That looks lovely, yours looks bad, doesn't
Looks
it?
really nice. They've even got their own sauce. Look. Oh, hang on, sorry. That one. Oh, sorry. Got that one. There you got tomato ketchup. I've never seen that one before. Right, I'm going to dig
What's
in.
on that pig burger? What's it say?
Oh, them chips are amazing.
Them chips nice.
Oh, that's so nice. Some nice food. Oh dear.
Cajun chicken. Oh. Oh yeah. Okay, chicken. Wow.
Is that a spicy one?
No, it's lovely. It's really nice. Oh. Let's try the chips.
Chips are
I think
delicious.
they are.
They're really nice. They are amazing.
Ow. Proper chips, ain't they?
Yeah.
Proper chips.
Nice, aren't they? The chips.
They're really nice and chips.
My sandwich is delicious.
Your sandwich is nice, Papa.
Oh, yeah. That's nice, thick chicken. Let's take it apart. It's delicious, really nice.
Right, guys, we're on our way back. Now, can I just say, first things first, I've made a right mess of myself. I've got it all down my top, I had it all over my face. Oh, that was laughing at me. I don't know what I got on the video, because I had there was music on, so I'm not 100% sure what's there till I edit it. But let me just say, that for me is gonna get a 5 out of 5. That was absolutely immaculate. It really was. I couldn't fault one little bit. My favourite burger was the Cajun chicken with that sour cream. Was to die for. Right in there, Bab, and you can come down. Oh, gotta go the other way. There's no. I thought there was a tunnel there, but there ain't a tunnel. So I've come completely the wrong way. But yeah, guys, that. If you're passing Lichfield any time, I do 100% recommend going. Oh, yep. The 3 tons, Walsall Road, just on the way to Muckley Corner. I don't think you can go wrong with it at all. That's ahead of me, so I can't ask what she thought, but I know she thought it was absolutely delicious. She's bought a doggy bag home. Well, just a couple of cartons, she never ate all hers. I struggled on my chips in the end. I only had 3 little burgers. Whew. There she is now. That's what she thinks. She hasn't got a mic on, so I'll have to use mine. I have put my noise reduction on my mic, so I'm hoping it works and I can do the video. What do you think of that, Bab?
That was really nice, that was.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, that thought it was really nice. Yeah, we'll go this way. Which I know anyway, because she did say. I just said it's probably the best.
I think it's one of the best ones in Lichfield.
Yeah, it's between that and 55 Wade Street.
Yeah.
I think that probably pumps it, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's probably better.
You get so much for your money.
You get so much, don't you?
So much food for your money.
I don't know if the camera does it justice, guys, but you get that much. Oh, but yeah, that was something. We just wanted to go out and have something to eat. 3 tons, Lichfield, 5 out of 5 for me. What's it having to you, Bab?
Proper 5 out of 5.
Proper 5 out of 5 for that.
And the staff are lovely.
And the staff are really nice, aren't they?
Really nice.
Yeah, we knew the lad behind the bar. Yeah, went kickboxing with our younger lad. But yeah, open kitchens, so you see him cooking. The pizzas and all that stuff. Yeah, we're definitely going to go again, ain't we?
Yeah, definitely, yeah.
Definitely going to go again. Yeah. So guys, there we go. The return of the OFG. I'm a right mess. Went everywhere, did it, Bab? All up my nose and everything. Oh, never mind. What am I like? Till the next time, guys. We'll see you later. Oh, we're doing a cooking with Nat tomorrow, aren't we, Bab?
Hopefully, fingers crossed.
Cooking with Nat tomorrow, guys. Cooking with Nat. See you later. Bye-bye.